What's going on, Fort McMurray? It's Jeff Batchelor, your #1 automotive sales professional, wishing you and your family a Merry, Merry Christmas. The dealership's not open today, but that's not going to stop me from sending massive amounts of love to you and your family. I love you all. Thank you so much for an amazing year, and thanks everybody who supported me and supported Legacy Dodge. Today's Whiteboard Wednesday, where I break down your new and used car deal, I wanted to discuss trade value with you. Something I run into all the time, especially when I have customers that are shopping multiple dealerships, okay? So let me show you two scenarios first, okay? These are the same truck, okay? No matter whether it was a car, a truck, an SUV, a Ram, a Ford, or Chevy, just picture for the moment that this top and bottom offer are the exact identical vehicle, everything down to the sunroof and the color. One dealership is offering that vehicle for $76,000 and a trade value of $40,000. The other dealership has a $6,000 discount on it, but a trade value of $38,000. Which of these is the better deal? Well, I bet most of you, and all the smart ones out there, know that this bottom one is a significantly better deal. Although the trade value is $2,000 less, the truck is $6,000 less. Unfortunately, that's not how most people think when they go shopping dealerships to dealerships. Most customers focus on the trade-in number regardless of the price of the vehicle, and that's where so many people end up paying more for their vehicles in other dealerships. Now here's how you're going to save that from ever happening to you. A trade-in value insinuates a value you're going to get only if you trade in a vehicle. Like this dealership would only offer you $40,000 for your trade if you purchase this $76,000 vehicle. If you want to find out if that $40,000 offer is actually a real offer, ask them if they give you that $40,000 even if you didn't buy a vehicle. That's the real way to discover if the dealership is being honest and being straightforward with you. You see, here at Legacy, I've never presented a customer a trade-in value that I wouldn't happily honor even if they didn't purchase something from you. That's a real deal, and that's a salesperson being real and straightforward with you. So if you're looking for a real trade value, a real deal, and real service, give me a call, 416-523-6585. Let your legacy start right here.